Welcome students. Next we will move to the chapter percentage. Percentage you already learned in smaller classes. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage means out of 100 how much, that is a percentage. Okay, so if in a fraction, if the denominator is 100, then what we can say, numerator of that fraction will represent the percentage. One example, 72 by 100. 72 by 100. In 72 by 100, what you can see? 72 divided by 100. So here denominator 100. So this we can write in such a way that 72 percentage. Okay. So if the denominator of fraction is 100, we can say that the numerator, how much? That much percentage, 72 percentage. So out of 100, how much? That is a percentage. Okay. So now we are moving to exercise 9.1. In that first question, all of you take page number 122. Read the question. Convert each of the following fractions into percent. How to convert fraction, decimal, whatever may be, into percentage? We have to multiply that by 100. So here the first fraction is given as 3 by 5. So how we can convert that into percentage? 3 by 5 multiply by 100. Cancel the common factors and take the product. You will get that as 60 percentage. So how to convert a fraction into percentage? Multiply that fraction by 100. How to convert a fraction into percentage? Multiply that fraction by 100. Okay. So the remaining questions you have to do as homework and have to submit today before 8 p.m. Okay. Listen, in these questions you can see the mixed fractions over here. Mixed fractions, what you have to do? First convert into improper, then only multiply by 100. Okay. Now we are moving to the second set. Express each of the following percentages as decimals. To convert a percentage into decimal, what we have to do? You have to remove this percentage sign and divide by 100. That is a way. So first one, 33 percentage. Okay. So that sign you have to remove and divide by 100. So 33 by 100. 33 by 100 means division by 100. How to do? From the right side, two places you have to count and put the decimal point. So 0.33. Then next question number C also we are doing 0.015 percentage. Okay. So what to do? Remove the percentage sign and divide by 100. Okay. Now here already decimal point is there. How to divide by 100? Then you have to shift this decimal point 2 places towards left. Okay. So 2 more zeros we have to add. Like this we will get the result. 0.00015. Okay. Hope it is clear. Now we are moving to the third question. Express each of the following decimals as percent. Decimals, how to express decimals in percent? You have to multiply each by 100. Okay. So first question, one question I will do and give 0.45 multiply by 100. So 45 percentage you will get. How to multiply by 100? Shift this decimal point 2 places towards right. Okay. Now fourth set. Express each of the following percent as fraction. How to express this as fraction? First you have to remove this percentage sign and divide by 100. Okay, that is the first set. So 37.2 percentage. So 37.2 divided by 100 will come when we remove that percentage sign. Okay. Now what you have to do? In the numerator there is one decimal point that you have to remove. How to remove that? Multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 because only one decimal place. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So you will get 372 divided by 1000 will come. Okay. Now cancel the common factors. You will get 93 by 250. Next, one more question. 16 7 by 8 percentage. Here you can see a mixed fraction. What you have to do? You have to convert into improper first. So you will get 135 by 8 percentage. Then remove the sign and divide by 100. So 135 by 8 multiply by 1 by 100 will come. Now cancel the common factors. You will get 27 by 160. 27 by 160. Okay. Now next, fifth set. Express 25 gram as a percent of a kilogram. Here one is in gram and another one is in kilogram. Both should be in the same unit. Okay, otherwise you are not able to express. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, we know. Okay, so what we have to do to express that in percent, formula is the percentage is equal to one quantity divided by other quantity multiplied by 100, that much percentage. So here 25 gram as a percent of 1 kilogram now. So 25 divided by 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. Okay, so 25 by 1000 multiplied by 100, that much percentage. Cancel the common factors, you will get that as 2.5 percentage. Okay, so the remaining questions from the exercise you have to do as homework. Okay, so first set you have to submit today. Second set you can submit by tomorrow. Third set day after tomorrow. And fourth set on Monday you submit, and fifth set Tuesday. Okay, like that you have to submit. Like that I will send the assignment in Google Classroom. Hope it is clear for all. Do well. All the best. Thank you.